Greetings humans. Before we get to the action footage, I just wanted to explain the game type to you. As you can see, we are playing Capture the Flag, and the way we play it specifically, we have two teams. They start at opposite sides of the field, and the teams have to get the flag in the center of the field and take it to the opposing team's starting point. And if you can do that, then you win the game. And the rules for hits for this game is that if you are hit, if you had the flag, you would have to leave it there and someone else can pick it up. But you can pick it up if you do get tagged back in by one of your teammates. And you can get tagged back in as many times as you want. You can get tagged back in if you got hit when you don't have the flag. But the way you do get out of the game is that if you do get hit and an opposing player goes past you, then you are out. But if a teammate tags you back in before an opposing player goes past you, then you are still in the game. And those are the rules for our style of Capture the Flag. I hope you enjoy the action footage, and I'll see you later, humans.
You ready? 2, 1, go! I got one held down behind the board. Yep, I see him. Got another one coming to him. Got two behind that board, yep.
I didn't get hit! He's cameraman! Hey, don't get me, don't get me. I'm not. Are you out? Oh my God!
Yep, let's go. There aren't any live yet.